Oh, gee. Hey, what's going on, everyone? We're back in the unit today with another What's Sold. We have what's sold over the last couple days.
So I'm like, which one do I do first? I'll do this one because otherwise I'll forget. Good morning, everybody.
It is St. Patrick's Day.
It is, and I have 0% green on, so.
Pinch.
Ow!
I'm wearing this green, which I guess it barely qualifies.
All right. I sold these Tila Sneakers on Posh for someone offered $25. I accepted. I had $8.99 into those guys.
Sweet.
Still haven't built our new shelves yet.
No.
But hopefully this underwear.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Definitely over spring break. That's like my big project is keeping the boys alive and building the shelves. Yeah.
All right. So these Adidas, also on Poshmark, someone offered $22. I accepted. I paid $7.50 for those, so about a $10 profit. I was happy with. These were a women's 6. On those smaller sizes, so were those Tivas. I'm always happy to accept a little bit lower because there's just it seems like they sell slower, so.
Yeah.
Alrighty, EM. Oh, this was these shoes that I showed in the day that we found the Freebirds. I found these, I think. The Swabs.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, those sold really fast. So for $50 on Posh, someone offered $50. I think I listed them at like 68 or something. They offered $50.
Very nice.
Happy to accept. I bought them for $8.99.
And you found 2 pairs of those recently. That's the second.
Yeah.
And they both sold pretty quick, right?
The other one has not sold yet.
Oh.
It has watchers and stuff, but yeah, I don't know. I'm sure it'll sell soon.
You guys can see we got that inventory we've got that inventory to put away after we're done picking here.
Sold these Ralph Lauren, just, I guess, like a dress short. Bought these at Nordstrom Rack when they were having like a super duper sale for $5, and I accepted a $20 offer on those on Posh. Okay. EV. That here on the bottom.
Echo Victor.
You. Is it over here?
Yep, it's this.
Okay.
This box.
Yeah. Some Bionic Flipflops. Bought for $7.99. Sold on Posh. 31 with discount shipping. So buyer accepted the Posh VA offer that went out.
Very nice.
Those were women's 5. So we're selling lots. Why am I talking crap about small sellers? Like, that's what all our money came from today. I think the next one is down here too. EW.
Yeah.
Obviously, W's after V.
Maybe we should start talking crap about other things because then it starts selling.
Yeah.
I'm just kidding.
These are On Clouds women's. They are missing their insoles. So someone offered $30 and I accepted for that reason. I bought them for $10.99.
Okay.
Thought that was fair.
Very fair.
Yeah. EU or EV? I don't know. That's
EV's here.
I don't see them because they're pink.
Yeah, EU would be over there.
Here.
Again, guys, someday we'll have this all organized.
Someday next week. Some New Balance bought for $8.99, sold for $31 with discount shipping. So Posh VA offer got accepted on those. Okay. AA. Some sass, bought for $10.99, sold for $26 plus shipping on eBay.
Very nice.
Okay. Oh, we got a viewer sale bundle going out to Zach. Right, so we got X, A, Y, and E, Y is down here. Okay, all over here.
I'll change places.
Okay. So Zach got this US polo assignment, just like a nice pullover. And a Y. The bear paw slippers from our recent video. I like those. Those look super comfy.
Oh, Zach got those. I didn't realize he got those too.
And then he also got these from our recent video. Some Skechers. Thank you, Zach.
Yeah.
The 3 items sold for $85 plus shipping. I had about $35 into them, so.
Sweet.
Awesome.
Zach,
Thank you so much.
so much awesome support. We do appreciate it very much. Always showing up to the lives, which you do Thursday nights, 8 p.m. Mountain Time.
And I'm sorry I had to cancel he also bought something on Mercari that I sold probably 6 months ago and just never deleted, so.
But like a boss, he was like, it's no problem at all. Go ahead and cancel, and we thank you for that.
All right, EC.
EC? To the left.
We really do got to switch these around. Okay, it's a black t-shirt. Nightmare Before Christmas shirt. I bought this at the bin, so $205 cost of goods that day into $888 plus shipping. So it was like a $6 profit. That'll pay for my coffee. I was gonna say coffee, but actually we had some.
Yeah, we do have some coffee support.
So yeah,
we'll talk about later.
That. E. Alright. Some Keen, Mary Jane. Just listed these within this last week. Bought for $12.99, sold for $31.88 plus ship. Really fast. Okay, basket. Where did I put the this? The
Basket's on the shoe rack.
So this Mountain Hardware hat with the little.
Oh yeah, this. So we found out that that's like what do they call it? Zero.
Yeah, their snowsuit that they make.
Yeah, it's for like going to like Antarctica.
Right.
Yeah.
It's a very expensive snowsuit, but yeah.
Like $1,000 like suit thing.
So this was also from the bins, $1.86 cost of goods this day into $13.01 plus shipping.
That's cool.
Yeah. I just like the Mountain Hardware brand. It usually sells pretty well. All right, EC.
Oh, gee. It landed in the bag. I think it fell down this side. Yeah. It shot right down in there. Man, I'm glad we noticed that fly out too.
All right. So these Tom's little, they're like a sneaker boot. I actually bought these for myself. I just never wore them, so I listed them. I did pay $12.99 at Goodwill, and then I accepted a $27 offer. So a little bit of profit there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, that just gave me an idea for a title for this video.
Yeah.
Things are literally flying out of our boxes.
Okay. That works. I like it. Alright, so it's a little Jordan crib booties. Bought these for $7.99, sold for $26.06 plus shipping. Little baby Jordans like that always sell pretty well.
Yeah, nice.
Some of them like up to $50. So, alright, to DF is over here. Old Navy shorts. Were from the bins. I bought them because they were new with tag, and $1.83 cost of goods into I accepted a $9 offer. So again, probably like $6 profit or so.
Yeah.
Right, we have another viewer sale bundle going out to Susie. Thank you, Susie.
Awesome.
She said a whole bunch of nice things that I won't repeat to everyone, but thank you so much, Susie. All right, DR.
Doctor.
Alright, so Susie got this CJ Banks top and then this Mark and Paul scarf. I had $1.19 into the shirt from the bins, and the scarf was actually sent to us by another viewer. So Susie bought them for $24.22 plus ship. And yeah, so I had $1.19 into $24.22 plus ship.
Awesome.
Thank you so much. Hope
Susie,
you love those.
thank you so much for the support and the kind words. We do appreciate you very much.
EK.
EK.
This was a cool sale. Yeah, the baggy jeans are still seeming to do pretty well. This is the brand Anchor Blue. I only bought them because they're baggy. They're in really rough shape. Bought them for $4, sold them for $59 on Posh. So
Sweet.
That was my full list price. Someone just bought them outright. Love that.
Love it.
All right, EU. My V's and my U's literally. Yeah.
Your whole alphabet looks better than mine, though. So luckily, you're the one writing it all down.
Some little kids Vans, bought for $4.99, accepted a $20 offer on those. All right, right, and then lastly, a G Tommy Bahama.
Yeah, sorry guys, there's a lot of action going on in the storage facility here today.
It's been busy here.
It's hopping.
What day is it? Friday?
Friday, yeah.
That kind of makes sense, maybe.
Yeah.
Weekend. All right. Lastly, this little Tommy Bahama swimsuit bought for $3.50, sold for $16.76 plus shipping on eBay. So yeah, and I had a bunch of these. So if I make $10 off each, that is awesome.
Very, very nice. We do have a few coffees that we wanted to thank you guys for.
Did want to thank Jenny. Bought us one and said thanks so much for the spreadsheet. So thank you, Jenny.
Awesome. Jenny, thank you so much for the support.
And then on our live last night, Karen bought us 3 coffees and said thanks for your help. So Chris was helping her kind of figure out a spreadsheet issue.
Yeah.
So
And she was very kind and offered coffee afterwards, which... Karen, thank you. It was totally unnecessary, and it was an easy fix. And I do appreciate the coffee anyway. We do.
Yes.
And then another one, I don't think they were at the live, but it came during the live, which was fun.
So that was from Trip Pickers. So yeah, they came through during the live, but I don't think they were in the chat.
Yeah.
So we were trying to say thank you, but you weren't there. So thank you now.
And if we missed you, I'm sorry. Yeah. There was times when I kind of had to step away from the live. So
they just said thanks for the inspiration and all the information shared. So
awesome,
thank you guys. And then I also wanted to thank Destiny, who didn't send the copies, but she did send some funds a different way.
Yeah.
And that said thanks, Chris, for the spreadsheet, and help. You guys are always so kind to me.
Destiny,
you are so kind to us.
Yes.
Been here since the very beginning.
Destiny's like VOG.
For sure.
As original gangster as it gets, I guess.
And she actually has her own channel, so we'll pop that up here. And thank you, Destiny.
Go check out Retro by Destiny. Definitely. We're going to start putting that stuff away. And then that's pretty much going to be it for today's video.
It's kind of a boring day.
It is.
I'm just going to go list and...
It is St. Patrick's Day. We have some, we've got corned beef and, well, not the cabbage, because the cabbage is sold out. I don't know.
That was last year, too. We didn't get cabbage.
We almost did red cabbage, and I was like, I don't know.
That, but our kid actually likes cabbage, so I feel a little bad.
Yeah. So we're going to get doing all that kind of stuff. We have some fun activities for tonight with the boys and stuff. So, yeah, a little short a day, but productive, I think. So, guys, thank you so much for watching. And thanks again for all of the amazing support. We do appreciate it. And we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.